Hey, good afternoon. This is T. Evans with MarineMax. Today I'm showing you a 2023 Bennington 21SXL Pontoon with a Yamaha 150. Exterior color is smoky granite with a matte black accent. This is really pretty. Goes great together, looks great in the sun. Again, this one is Pontoon, Yamaha 150. We'll climb aboard, take a look. It's got the silver interior with carbon accent. Port lounge, storage up under all your seats. Got the seagrass silver flooring. Starboard lounge, you got two portable cup holders that you can move around. Put those wherever you need to. Come on up here to the helm. You got the Garmin Striker 4, fish finder, depth finder, the Rockford PMX2 upgrade, Yamaha binnacle, of course. Did upgraded SX high back recliner, so it's a nice, comfortable captain's chair. Removable table here, and then of course the L-shaped wraparound seating. Large storage area here. Ski tow bar, Yamaha 150. Nice transom walk through to the water. Again, this is a 21 SLX Pontoon Bennington with the Yamaha 150 here in stock on the showroom floor. Give us a call, 864-236-9005. Have a great day.